This is my Morse code encoder, and this is by default A is pressed, so this is the reset signal and this is the enable signal, and because my SW 0 to SW2 are the input switch, and it will display from A to H by corresponding to 000 to 111 respectively. So if I enable it, for A the Morse code is 1 dot and 1 dash it displayed, and for B if I make it 001, so my Morse code will become 1 dash and 3 dot. Here the dash is 1.5 second light and dot is 0.5 second light. So again I press the enable, so 1 dash and 1 dot. Then if I make it 010, so this is like 1 dash 1 dot 1 dash 1 dot. So 1 long 1 short, 1 long 1 short. It will display 1 long, then 1 short, then 1 long, then 1 short. Go for D. D is 1 long and 2 short, 1 long and 2 short. Then we'll go for E. E is only 1 dot. So this is the only 1 dot. Now if we make it F, F is 2 dot 1 dash then another dot, dot dot dash then dot. And for G, G is for 2 dash means 2 long 1 dot, 1 long 1 long and then another dash. And then H, H is all 4 dots. Thank you.